Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I have a brunch casserole. You know, this is something to make quick, easy. No, you and the girl were up a little late. All right, first thing we want to do is take some canned crescent roll dough, and yes, I know, pre-made ingredient. Go fuck yourself. You can make your own crescent dough, but I just went with the shit in the can. Remember, this is supposed to be easy. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. You haven't had your goddamn coffee, and you're half-assed hungover. So place that at the bottom of the pan, and let's get to, and just leave that out, and let's get started working on the other ingredients. Okie dokie. Now, as you can see here, I have a 1.5 pounds of breakfast sausage, and basically you want to cook that up until it's done. It should be about, 5 to 7 minutes, something like that. So yeah, just cook that up till it's done. Then drain on some paper towels. All right, as you can see here, our sausage is done. Drained it. And we're going to place it on top of our crescent roll dough, which is kind of, in the interim, kind of filled in the gaps, started to puff up just a hair. Oh, and by the way, at some point, start preheating your oven to 425 degrees. Okay, so what we have here is 4 eggs with 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and I'm going to proceed to add in 3/4 of a cup of buttermilk. If you don't like buttermilk, don't have buttermilk, you can just use regular milk. It's fine. If you're allergic to milk, I'm sure like the almond milk would be just fine as well. Maybe add, if you're going to do like the almond milk route, maybe add a bit more salt, because almond milk tends to be a little bit sweeter, and buttermilk, of course, is a little bit saltier. And then you just want to give this mix a good stir around, and of course, add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Then you just want to give this mix a stir up until it kind of resembles like a real thick batter, almost like, I don't know why a slurry keeps coming to my goddamn mind, but that's what you're kind of looking for with this. Alrighty, then you just want to put your mix on top of everything. Grab yourself a little spatula and spread it out as evenly as possible. Once you want done that, you want to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. If 15 to 20 minutes, just go by feel, but I put it in for 15 minutes. Came out fantastic, and we'll see what that looks like now. And there you have it, 15 minutes later, and this is what you get. And this was absolutely delicious. Light, fluffy, easy. So that is a sausage brunch casserole. Done.